Okay, here's the battery that goes in the lawnmower. Hook to it, going back up and hook into the wire. This is your main fire wire that goes on the battery, and this is your ground one over here. This is the ground one right here. So I got the cables hooked to them, and this is a choke. I ain't gonna put it out. I don't think it really needs it because I ain't been long had it running. And I'm gonna just go ahead and see if we can crank it up and show you it'll crank up without the battery being in the tractor. I got to get this here so it'll meet